Hello, welcome back to A10 Learning. Today we are going over the basics of surfing the internet on Windows 10. Windows 10 comes with a new web browser called Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is a replacement for Internet Explorer that was used on previous operating systems. There are two basic ways to open up Edge. The first way is to go to the search bar, type in Edge, and the option to launch the browser will pop up on the screen. You can also find an option to open Edge on the taskbar by clicking on the icon. Okay, let's launch Edge. Now, to simplify things, let's break this down into three separate parts. The Tabs section, the Address Bar section, and the Browser section. The Tabs section shows you your currently open websites. As you can see here, I only have one website open. To open another tab, click on the plus icon next to the currently open tab. To close a currently open tab, simply click the X icon on the tab you would like to close. You can also organize these tabs by dragging the tabs left or right. To the right of the tabs is the Tab Preview button. This button will show you a quick preview of the website windows that are open. You can also click on each site to navigate to each tab. Microsoft Edge also gives you the ability to set tabs aside so you can pull them up at a later time. This is helpful if you have a lot of tabs open and want to save some space. To do this, hover your mouse over the Set Tabs Aside button and click on it. As you can see, all of your tabs have now disappeared. To see these tabs, click on the See All Tabs button. You will now see the window with the tabs you have set aside. To restore a tab, simply locate the tab and click on it. You can restore multiple tabs from this location. You can also restore all of the tabs at once by clicking on the Restore Tabs link. You can also see a preview of these tabs by hovering your mouse over each individual tab. Now these tabs can also be opened up in their individual windows. If you click on the tab, drag it, and drop it in the middle of the screen, it will open up in its own individual window. This can also be done the opposite direction. Click on the tab, drag it, and drop it up in the tab bar on the other window. Last but not least, in the top right corner of the window, you have the option to minimize the window, to restore the window to its original size, and to close out the window. Keep in mind, when closing the window, it will also close all tabs within that window. Okay, so that goes over the Tabs section of Microsoft Edge. Now let's move to the Address Bar section. The first thing we're going to go over is the address bar itself. Here you would enter in the address of a website you are trying to get access to. You will notice as you type in the address, Microsoft Edge will automatically suggest websites that you've previously been to. You can select one of these websites or continue typing and hit the Enter key. The address bar will always show you the correct address for the website you are currently visiting. Next to the address bar is the navigation. The back button will go back one page, the forward button will go forward one page, the refresh button will refresh the currently open page, and the home button will take you back to your home page. Now let's take a look at the right side of the address bar. Here you have Reading View Mode, Add to Favorites, View Favorites, Add Notes, Share this page, and more options and settings. To save the current page as a favorite, click on the star icon. Here you can name the favorite, Choose where you want to save the favorite to, and also create a new favorite folder. You can save the favorite to a reading list as well. To view your saved favorites, click on the Favorites icon. This will show you your favorites, your reading list, books, your recent history, and your recent downloads. You can also create a new folder, view your favorite settings, and pin the favorites bar to the right side of the page. Microsoft Edge also has the ability to notate and highlight information on individual web pages. Now, this information is only saved locally, however it is useful for sharing information, taking notes, or highlighting important aspects of the page. This can also be useful if reading ebooks in a web browser, so you can highlight certain sections as well. The Share button allows you to share the current web page with different emails, different contacts, different programs, and different applications. Okay, last but not least are these three little dots. These are the settings. And here you can open new windows, view favorites, go to your history, check your downloads. You can also print websites. You can search for text on the website. You can check out settings and a lot of other different options. Okay, we're towards the end of the video, so it's time for your quick tip. In order to zoom in and out of the page easily, you can hold down the control key on your keyboard and use the mouse scroll wheel to minimize and maximize the text size on the screen. The mouse scroll wheel can also be used to scroll up and down the web page. This was Alex with A10 Learning. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay tuned for more videos and check out our website at www.atin.tech. That's atin.tech. And welcome to the A10 family.